Yo, yo, good morning. How we doing? Good morning, Chuck, channel member. Greatly appreciate you. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Mel. Good morning, Jared. Good morning, Don. What's up, everybody? How we doing? Hold on, let me get everything set up. It was a fantastic weekend. Nice and relaxing. So, we did have Tesla news over the weekend. I think it was something about production. Might be wrong, but I know it was negative news. Actually, Savage just put it in the chat. Tesla news yesterday of suspending ops in China and Germany due to low demand. So I think that is why. I think that's why the market's dropping. Hold on. They updated the Discord server. Cool. Of course, Jared. What those people did at the pool irritated the living hell out of me. I worked with special needs for like 4 to 5 years. So I'm used to helping people. And just seeing people straight up just ignore the guy, that irritated the living hell out of me. Never will you catch me doing that. But, like I said, I'm gonna do something special for him. I don't know what exactly, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But, yeah, I'm not gonna rant about it on stream. Let me pull up the watch list for the week. There was tons of swing setups too, but if the market's going to drop, it's going to invalidate literally all of them. So let's hope that the market wants to pump today. I will say though, AMD lost that support. That is huge. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour, 30-minute. Anybody watch the new episode of Stranger Things? Or episodes, I should say. Fire. Alright. So, we are definitely putting AMD on the list today just because, it lost that strong support that we talked about. Maybe it comes back up, test it, we can get some puts, or if it breaks below pre-market low, I will be more than happy to take some puts. So, AMD definitely on the list. Amazon, again, if you guys could, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 82 people in here and only 30 likes. If you guys are watching through the Discord, what I need you to do is actually click on the link, open up your Google Chrome or whatever you use, and click that like button. Amazon squeezing there. Let's see, 4 hour, beautiful Head and Shoulders. Honestly, I'm not too interested in Amazon until it gets down here. So gonna ignore that for today. How's my China names doing? Baba. Still waiting for the break on Baba. 121.38 is my level, so I'm just gonna wait for that. Baidu. Breaking above that trend line. Baidu, I want to look for swings on this. More interested in that. BJ's, same thing, looking for a swing. Costco. If Costco can get above 491, depends what it does in the pre-market, but we'll throw it on for now. Costco, Dollar Tree, looking for the swing there. I do not trade penny stocks unless Dumpster says so. So CLVS, I have no idea what that is. Dollar Tree, don't care about right now. ENPH, waiting for that breakout. McDonald's, that had a huge breakout last week. 253.55. Liquidity on the contracts. Nope, we're gonna have to swing McDonald's. So don't care about that. Somebody said Nvidia broke a strong level. Remember, 150 likes for the watch list today. Nvidia, that dropped way too much already. I mean, maybe you can set a pre-market low and kind of just chill here, but we'll see. I'll come back to it. Nvidia, PFE, looking for a swing there. Huge weekly symmetrical triangle with a squeeze, so I'm going to be patient and wait for that. RTX, same thing, looking for the breakout. Maybe we can snag a swing there. Above, bingo. We got FOMC tomorrow too. RTX. Or no, this SYY. I think SYY is in a weekly squeeze. Yeah. Beautiful weekly candle, by the way. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna look and see what we can snag here. But I only like 3 things from the weekly watch list. Let's see what we can find on the day trading watch list. I will look at Walmart though, because a lot of like retail and the food services, they all look strong. Let's see. Walmart, not interested in. Apple is in a 4-hour squeeze. Looks just like Amazon. I do want to see what happens if it comes back down to that trend line. That should be pretty interesting. We'll put Apple on the list for now. Apple. Also bought a new computer chair. I know you guys have said in the past that that thing is super loud. I will have a new one within, I think, like a week. Don't care about coin. We looked at Costco. Can't trade CRWD. GME has squeezes everywhere. 1-hour squeeze. Daily squeeze. It's in the weekly squeeze. Might actually fire down. A daily time frame looks like it does want to fire down. Not interested in GME though. Meta, 4-hour squeeze. Yeah, that Costco does look really, really good. Let's see, good old Meta. Break below pre-market low, I'll be interested in it. Good morning. Microsoft actually is in a very tight squeeze on the 4-hour. Orange dots. Sitting on that trend line. Break below that trend line is going lower. Microsoft. MU, 1-hour squeeze. Not interested. We looked at Nvidia, PayPal. 4-hour squeeze. I think that's going to continue down. QQQ, 4-hour squeeze. You want to know something though? Hold on. When we get to SPY. There we go. This was Friday's low, so we do want to know about that. I mean, it looks like that 4-hour squeeze on QQQ wants to fire down. But if we're looking at QQQ, I gave you guys this 284.81 level in Saturday's video. It literally hit it to a T in the pre-market and then dropped. 284, now 278. So what is that? $6 drop from that pivot point. So if we're just looking at the structure of QQQ, what do we see? Lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, but lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So personally, I think we could see 261.85 on QQQ in the near future. That's just my levels. But QQQ, I think that 4-hour squeeze does want to fire down, so I do really like that. I'll just trade Savage's levels. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. 120 people in here and only 64 likes. Cannot believe it. People must be on vacation still. Roku, don't care about. SPY's in a 4-hour squeeze. Good morning. 7-2. SPY got destroyed. Remember, SPY's in that weekly bear flag. 4-hour squeeze coming right back down to that trend line. Maybe we bounce at the trend line. So keep that in mind. Definitely a possibility today. SPY, SQ don't care about target. Tesla. Tesla's got a 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily squeeze. Broke below that trend line. Maybe interested in Tesla. They did have some pretty negative news over the weekend. We'll pay attention to this. Tesla. And somebody asked about Exxon. Don't care about Exxon. Cool. We got a pretty thick list today. Let's see. Cool. And then, do we have any economic news today? Okay, 10 o'clock. Make sure you're not in positions at 10 o'clock. We have factory orders and core capital equipment orders revision. So those are going to be important. Apparently the euro is getting destroyed right now. Let's see. EUR USD. Yep, broke below that support. And that thing got railed. Anyways, so over the weekend I swung ELAN just because of unusual options activity. Honestly, what I'm going to be aiming for is 2148, 2214, 2279. If you guys are in this swing with me, you can see it came right down to that 127.2% extension from the Fibonacci's, which I talk about how to use in my trading ebook. And yeah, pretty much hit it to a T. It's rebounding. I think at this point, the big trader is he's looking for these retracements, probably 2214 and 2279. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Let's see, MasterCard. No, don't open a short position at 959. That's not how it works. It's how you lose your entire account. Anyways, let's narrow the list. AMD. I would prefer AMD to come back up to 72.69 because if we go to the weekly time frame and we take the support right here, 72.5, and then we had that level like right here. So in between 74.2 and 72.5 is going to be really important for AMD, but the yearly low was at 72.69. So I might look into scaling here and then maybe add the rest here. I don't know yet, but I do want to watch AMD. Love AMD. Costco. I'm just gonna set alert on Costco if it can get up here. If not, then oh well. I prefer AMD over NVIDIA, so I'm gonna just take NVIDIA off. How's everybody's weekend though? You guys do anything fun? Spent a majority of my weekend working on the black and white version of the book and reading. And then me and my fiance hung out at the pool yesterday. Apple. I do like Apple. Come back to that. Let everyone know that there's tons of 4-hour squeezes. Tons of 4-hour squeezes today. Boom. Alrighty. Barbecued all weekend. Well, where's mine at? You ain't gonna send me some? Nice. Nice. Ah, that sucks. Sorry to hear it, Joey. I hope you feel better. Let's see, Meta 157.50. Oh, my friend that, like, literally my best friend's in the Outer Banks right now. He's there for a whole week. Meta. Love. Microsoft. Oh yeah, if Microsoft cracks that trend line, game over. Love. Yeah, I've been well, not okay. So I told myself I'm not gonna drink for like the next 2 to 3 months, but somebody on Saturday had a Happy Dad. I hope all of you know what Happy Dad is. I was like, all right, I need to try that because I've never tried it. And let me tell you, that thing was super good. And I want to buy them, but they're just not in Maryland yet. But other than that, I haven't drank in 2 weeks, and I don't plan on drinking for, you know, a couple months, few months. Let's see, QQQ, more just straight Savages level, Spy. I honestly think Spy comes to that trend line, and then good old Tesla. 668, cool. Bro, the Happy Dad was so good. I had I think it was the Lime. Yeah, Happy Dad, it's you ever heard of the Nelk Boys? They made a seltzer. Alright, we can do it. We'll use all my followers to get Happy Dad in Maryland. Let's see, day trade. All right, let's see what we can get out of AMD today. It's a big drop. Alrighty. AMD. No, Mike's Hard Lemonade, that's I'm sorry, but that's for sissies, is what I'll say. AMD, nothing like that. I would say it's kind of like a White Claw. Well, I'm gonna need you to send me all your Happy Dads. AMD looking for a break below 72.2 for puts or a reject at 72.5 / 72.69. Really, AMD? Price target equal 71.18. 70 because that's a whole number. 69.17. I will say though, I've also been drinking if you guys want to focus, like I'm telling you, focus. I've been drinking these ginger smoothies. So what you put in it is you take a little bit of ginger, you cut it up, you put spinach, kale, orange juice, like a quarter of a lemon, the juice from that, and then a quarter of a lime, the juice from that. You mix it up. Something about ginger makes you so focused. Baltimore County. But yeah, something about ginger makes you so focused. I will say White Claws are sissy-ish, but they're good. Not as sissy-ish as Mike's Hard Lemonade. But what was that? Yeah, the ginger, something in it just every time I drink it, I get so laser focused. So on Saturday, I took my fiance out to breakfast and I got one. And then I came back and I had G Fuel. I kid you not, I don't think I blinked for like an hour. I just cranked out my entire black and white ebook, formatted the whole thing, went through, changed the font, did a little bit of like just stuff to make it look better. Sat here for like 2.5, 3 hours just cranking it out. It was crazy. But yeah, you guys want to focus. Ginger, telling you. Very true, Andy. Very true. I ain't gonna lie. If I'm drinking a White Claw, I'll look like a sissy. I don't care. Never heard of that. Wild Turkey 101. All right, apple's a hard maybe. I do really like that squeeze. Meta. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 106 people in here. Or no. We got 164 people in here and only 106 likes. So what I need you guys to do, click that like button if you want the watch list today. We need 150 likes if you guys do want it. Maybe 155 doesn't. Jalapeno, okay. $7.53. I have no support until 155 on this thing. I think that's what I'm gonna watch. Let's see. Meta looking for puts below 157.5. Price target equal 155. Yeah, so actually with my small account, I got it to like 10,322. Something like that from 6,700, which is, I think, what, hold on. I sent this to my graphics guy because I'm doing a video on it. That's 58% if I did my math right, which is crazy for a small account. So this month I'm going in with, I took out the rest of the excess cash over 10,000. So I'm starting the month with $10,002 because I suck at math. Hold on, I'll tell you the actual amount that's in the account. Oh, my bad, 10,000 because I have the ELAN position. $10,004.06. So, yeah, that's what I'm starting with. Let's see what we can grow the account to this month. But yeah. All right, so I like not AMD, Meta. And then I said I liked Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft breaks that trend line, game over. It's going lower. 4-hour squeeze actually looks like it's trying to form a might be trying to form an inverse head and shoulders right here. We'll have to see. Let's see, Friday's low. Came right down to that daily pivot too. So Friday is low, Thursday's low, weekly support, 2-2. Cool. Let's watch this. If it pumps, I have to look for some other setup. There it is. Alrighty. Microsoft 4-hour orange dot squeeze. If this breaks below the 4-hour trend line, it should fire down. Price target equal 254.61, 252.9, 252.22. Yeah. Cool. That is the watch list for today. All you guys need to do is run it up to 150 likes. We got 175 people in here and only 127 likes. We need 23 more, 150. I dropped the watch list in the chat. But in the meantime, does anybody have any questions while we're sitting here waiting to hit 150 likes? Any questions at all? That's the 3 that I like right now. I might watch Spy and QQQ on top of that. Or actually, I will be watching Spy and QQQ on top of that. AMD, Meta. Again, tons of 4-hour squeezes today, so I would watch that. Microsoft, SPX, QQQ. What is this stuff? Naked adult site? Get out of here. Get banned, loser. SPX, QQQ, Elon. That's the market that we're in. The tricky one. T2, or yeah, TTWO. It's too hard to trade. No liquidity. No liquidity at all. I'm gonna say good morning to you. Good evening where you're at. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Sorry if you heard that twice. I have my volume all the way up. Yeah, cool. So I mean, we're pretty much at the like goals. So let's get this in the chat for you guys. As always, this is not financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So as always, make sure to use proper risk management and do your own due diligence. Personally, what I am thinking is going to happen today, we have a lot of 4-hour squeezes with everything below the moving averages. So personally, what I think is going to happen is these squeezes are going to fire down. But yeah, could be completely wrong. So as always, you know, everybody be safe. Let's try to make as much money as we can this week. Stay patient, wait for the right setups. Other than that, I wish everybody the best. If you guys are not in the Discord server, make sure you guys do join that. And then real quick, me, Grizzly, and GD are hosting a mentorship that starts on, I think it's July 16th. So if you guys do want to join that, it is actually pretty limited, more limited than our other classes. So if you guys do want to join and learn our entire trading strategy, there's a link for that. But yeah, other than that, remember TLT is not the leading indicator anymore, so don't pay attention to it. Pay attention to HYG. And yeah, everybody take it easy. I'll be live tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed.